Hello everyone, this is Lion. In this episode of Learn with Lion, we're going to check out how to refund a customer. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on the WordPress icon on the top left of your WordPress site as long as you're logged in. You're going to go to the WooCommerce menu system, hover over and go to your orders. Find the order that you would like to give a refund to. So I'm going to go to order number 314. And then scroll down and you will see under the item that you want to give a refund to. You may have a multiple items, so you'll have the option to do this. But just click refund or where you want to give a refund. And you'll see here there's a refund amount. So you could type in something. So you just type in $1 and you could click refund. Another way to do this is that if you do have multiple items, you want to make sure that you're only refunding for something, you can just hit the one here where the quantity is and then put that in there. And then if you change it to 0, you see that the refund amount changes down below. So this just gives you the ability to make sure that you are giving a refund for the right quantity and the right item. So if there's multiple items, then you can make sure that just one is getting refunded, or maybe they ordered 2 of something and you just want to change it to 1. And then just click refund. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helped you out, be sure to click the like button. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment box below. Also, be sure to check out my other videos on WooCommerce and other videos that I give tutorials on. Thanks, and this is Lion. You're watching Learn with Lion.